Please.
Since you mentioned it, actually, the what's your greatest weakness question, especially in lines of being open and honest and about, you don't want to say, oh, well, sometimes I work too hard. That's my only problem.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. The weakness question also speaks about emotional intelligence. Okay, you have a bunch of interviewers out there, and some of them have been doing interviewing for a long time. Perhaps for most of your interviewers, it's your interview 50 and higher. At some point in your career as an interviewer, you start noticing things. So your interviewers, after spending an hour with you, they will tell that you get a little too excited about things, or they will tell that you kind of interrupt them a little bit, or that you perhaps have a problem with algorithmic kinds of things, but are very excited about architecture nevertheless. That is, your interviewers already know what your weaknesses are. The worst thing you can do is to try to hide them. That is, it takes a lot of emotional intelligence to openly say, hey, this is my problem, and I am working on it. If you're able to actually authentically say this, hey, I'll raise my hand, I'll talk about mine. I have a problem with patience. That is, I am a really an impatient fucker, which means that I just want shit to be done. And if it isn't done, especially because of the fault of our own, that is, if this is a self-inflicted kind of a pain, I struggle with this. And I am not my best self. And I don't help others solve the problem that's there, and instead generate frustration. Probably after observing me for half an hour, you can tell. I didn't have to tell you this. It's just the flip side of your personality, or my personality in this case. Similarly, your interviewers can already tell what the issue is, and if you openly speak about this, they will know that you are self-aware, that you are working on this, that the manager will know that they're able to at least coach you on that and do better. So if you present a bullshit answer of, oh, I just work too much, or I don't know, I spend too many hours in the office or something like this, and I neglect my family as a result, right? Identical answers, none of which are actually a weakness, right? This demonstrates a lack of self-awareness. If on the other hand you bring up a genuine weakness, hey, I'm kind of not too good with algorithms today. What I've done with Code Fellows is I've gotten really strong applicable knowledge of how to build systems like this, but if you ask me how to do graph theory today, and we have to deal with distributed graph algorithms, I would probably struggle with that. If you openly speak about that, my God, they know already. 2, you'll have some credibility in their eyes about what you know your problems are, your weak spots are, and especially if you say, hey, I know that my weakness today is algorithms, and I'm just randomly picking algorithms who might be the best in the world. You can do even better if you say, hey, I know that this is my weakness, and I signed up for a Coursera class online about data structures and algorithms from Stanford, and I'm going to try to do better there. So this helps you both demonstrate your awareness and also talk about what you're doing about it, so you're not just sort of calmly accepting this.